A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. A very good morning, children. Yesterday in EVS, we discussed about our body parts. Today we do some exercise. So, first we revise this chapter again. In this chapter, we have revised how many types of organ we have. In this picture show different parts of a human body. The human body has two type of organ, internal and external. Each part of body has its special name. First, external part. The body part which we can see from outside are called external organs. For an example, eyes, nose, ears, arms, hands, chest, legs, etc. are some of the external organ of the body. They all work together. We discussed about internal organs of the body. The body part which we cannot see from outside are called internal organs. The brain, heart, lungs, stomach are some of the internal organs. Brain. Brain is the most important organ of the body. It controls our body. It helps us to do different kind of activities. Then lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. We have two lungs. Then heart. It beats inside our body. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. Then stomach. It helps in the digestion of food which we eat. Then we talking about bones. Bone give us shape of to our body. They protect our internal organs. They are 206 bone inside our body. The framework of bone inside our body is called a skeleton. So these are the example of external organ of our body. Then we discussed about sense organ. What are sense organ? First, eyes. Eyes help us to see. They help us to recognize the thing. Then ears. The ear help us to hear sound. Then nose. We smell with our nose. The nose help us to breathe in and out. Then tongue. We taste with our tongue. Tongue feels different taste like sweet, salt, sour and bitter. So then skin. We touch and feel with our skin. It helps us to feel hotness, coldness, roughness or hardness. So with the help of these sense organ, we know about what is happening around us. So students, I hope you all are understand with this chapter. So let's discuss about some exercise which we have done. So student, first one is tick the correct one option. So here are you given two option. You tick the correct one. First one is the number of bond inside our body. So you tick the correct one. 206 is the correct answer. You did this exercise. Our whole body is covered with skin or blood. So our whole body is covered with skin. We can taste with our tongue. We smell with our nose. These are the right answer of these questions. Then we did this one exercise. In this exercise, your each finger has a name. Identify the finger and name it. So first one is your thumb. To write down thumb. Second is index finger. Third one is middle finger. Fourth one is ring finger, and fifth one is little finger. So you write down the name of all the fingers in this filling the blanks. Then name the part of the body that help in. First one is tasting. So which body part help you to taste is your tongue. Then smelling, nose, hearing, ear, seeing, eye, feeling, skin. So these are body parts. They help us tasting, smelling, hearing, seeing and feeling. The next exercise, write the function of each one. First one is heart, lung, brain, stomach. You write down the function of heart. Heart, it pumps blood to all parts of our body. Then lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. Then brain. Brain help us to think. Then stomach. It helps in the digestion of food which we eat. So these are the function of these external organs. I hope you all are did this exercise. Now we do some questions. First one is, what are external organs? The body parts which we can see from outside are called external organs. For an example, eyes, nose, ear, arm, hand, chest, leg, etc. Then second question is, what are internal organs? The body part which we cannot see from outside are called internal organ. For an example, brain, heart, lungs, stomach, etc. Then third one is, how many fingers have you in your hand? So how many fingers do you have? 8. So you write down 8. Then what are the different tastes that tongue can feel? Our tongue tastes sweet, salt, sour, bitter. So you write down this. Now second exercise is, write the name of sense organ that are going to work in this picture. So you write down the name of the sense organ. First picture, a boy smell a rose. So which sense organ work here? Nose. Then second picture, a boy eat an ice cream. So which sense organ work here? Tongue. Then third pictures, boys beat a drum. So which sense organ work here? And some boys are dancing behind them. So which sense organ work here? Hearing. Hearing, ear. Then next picture, a lady cover his nose because of bad smell. So which sense organ work in this picture? Nose. So you see how sense organ are going to work. Then next picture, how many of each do you have? So you write down how many hands do you have, you write down how many eyes do you have, how many ears do you have, you write down the number below the picture. Then how many nose do you have, how many lips do you have, how many tongue do you have. So you write down the number below the picture. So I hope you all are understand with this exercise. So let's do and send it to me. Goodbye. Have a nice day.